How to fix your Xbox slow download speed in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. We're going to be looking at all the ways you can go ahead and do so buckle up. The first thing you want to do is go to status.xbox.com and check if the Xbox Live is up and running. If not, then that could be the biggest problem. If not, you can simply go ahead and test your internet speed as well. You just need to go to settings, general network settings, and test your network speed and check if your speed is exactly as the ISP promises. If not, you can give them a call or use a wire connection for faster speed. As I already mentioned, use a wired connection. You want to connect your Xbox directly to your router with an LAN cable or Ethernet cable, which will definitely make your process a lot faster. If not, you can try restarting your network, meaning you can power cycle your modem and router, just unplug the both devices and wait 30 seconds and plug it back in. If that is not working, what you want to do is simply go ahead and check if there are any kind of downloads going on in your background. If it is, simply pause it for the process. If not, you want to check if there are any updates regarding with your console. You can just do this by going to Settings, System, and Updates. If nothing works, just contact Xbox support at support.xbox.com. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.